Let's cover today's important stock market news and get you prepared for the trading day ahead. Last night, President Trump announced a press conference this morning at 10 a.m. to announce a major trade deal with an undisclosed country that would be the first trade deal of many. Then this morning, the president announced that the UK is the first trade deal being announced this morning. Markets are notably green this morning on the news. This press conference will give market participants a glimpse into what future trade deals could potentially look like. There was speculation that India would be the first deal announced. I do wonder if the geopolitical situation in India and Pakistan may have caused some sort of delay in the India trade deal. Overnight, we heard more heated rhetoric from both India and Pakistan. Hopefully, there will be a peaceful resolution soon. We have multiple pieces of AI news affecting stocks today. Yesterday, right before market close, Bloomberg reported that the administration is preparing changes to the AI diffusion rule. We do not yet know what the exact changes to the rule will be. The AI diffusion rule in its current form would have been very bad for NVIDIA, and it was scheduled to take effect on May 15th. Now, with this news, NVIDIA stock is up in pre-market, and we've broken above a key resistance trend line that stretches all the way back to the high on January 7th. Let's see if we can get confirmation of a breakout and continuation today. Also today, some AI company executives are set to testify before the Senate, including executives from OpenAI, Microsoft, AMD, and CoreWeave. They are expected to talk about the infrastructure that is needed for data centers in the U.S., covering topics such as semiconductors and energy. Google is up notably in pre-market after plunging in yesterday's trading session. Apple's Eddie Q said that Google searches on Apple's mobile Safari browser fell in April for the first time, due mainly to increased use of other AI apps and services. Q also said that Apple was exploring adding AI search capabilities to its browser, potentially working with partners like OpenAI and Perplexity. The news caused some Google investors to panic, but it could ultimately be good news for NVIDIA. Multiple companies have reported earnings this morning, so let's quickly go over some of them. Shopify is down heavily in pre-market after the company's profit guidance fell short of expectations. Shopify reported revenue in line with expectations and a widening loss compared to the year-ago quarter. The Shopify earnings call should be interesting this morning, given that many of Shopify's merchants are caught up in the current tariff situation. Peloton is lower in pre-market after missing on EPS and declining revenue. EPS came in worse than expected, and revenue came in line with analyst estimates. D-Wave Quantum reported higher revenue than expected and a smaller loss per share than expected. Analysts were looking for a loss of 7 cents, and D-Wave reported a loss of only 2 cents per share. In a press release, D-Wave management said they believe the company's cash balance is sufficient to fund the company to profitability. Multiple companies are scheduled to report earnings after the closing bell today, including Coinbase, Mercado Libre, Cloudflare, Trade Desk, and Affirm. All right, now all eyes turn to the press conference at 10 a.m. as it will have important implications not only for the US-UK trade deal, but also for future deals, as it will reveal to market participants roughly what we could expect from future deals. Be prepared for that this morning, and be prepared for some potential volatility around 10 a.m. and following. And that's it for this morning's stock market update. Thank you for watching these videos. I really appreciate you being here. And with that, I hope you all have a great day. Please leave a like on this video so more people will see it. And while you're down there, please consider subscribing. It's free, and you can always change your mind. Thanks for watching, and hopefully I'll see you in the next video.